Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Des, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did these mini twists. So first of all, you're just going to need conditioner. I use Shea Moisture and Mielle, and then I finished it off with Eco Styler gel. So whatever you have, just make it work. So the first part, this is how long my hair is, but you're going to see the shrinkage is very real. Just do your first part all the way around, and then I like to mix in like small twists and medium twists, but if you want, you can do like small, medium, large, but I just feel like small and medium work great for me. So the way that I was able to do this without rubber bands is by braiding the root and then twisting all the way to the end and then just twirling it around your finger at the end. It should curl, and I'm going to do it again so you can see, and then after that I'm going to speed it up for you with music. So your twists don't have to be perfect. Mine actually look very separated, but once it dries, it swells up, and my hair is damp here, but I'm just making sure that I'm detangling every single twist that I'm creating, so that way it's easier to do the braid at the root and then twist all the way down. So I use the Twist Out conditioner, the Curl Smoothie from Mielle, and then Eco Styler gel, which I have another gel from Mielle, so maybe I'll try that next time. Okay, so I'm just getting my hair out of the way so that way I continue to bring it all the way around until you have the bottom row completely done. Don't feel like you need to have your parting A1 because clearly my parting was not, but this is the first time that I'm doing mini twists on my head. And I will let you know right now that it took me at least 4 hours. I think maybe 6 because I was watching Real Housewives of Atlanta and Dynasty. But just put on a good show and it'll be over before you know it, and it lasts pretty long. And I'm gonna include on the thumbnail what it looks like when I twisted it out, but then you can even wear the twist out as an actual style. But I wore this mini twist for a good like week and a half. Is your girl tired? Best believe it. Okay, so towards the top, you can tell that my hair is starting to get a little bit more dry, so I started using my spray bottle just to dampen my hair, but I'm still going to be using like the 2 conditioners and then the Eco Styler. And then you're going to see when it comes to the front of my hair, I'm going to use a brush and use the Eco Styler and kind of brush my edges. No, I don't do the baby hairstyle edges, but feel free to do that. I don't know how to do that, but I'm just brushing my edges back and moisturizing my scalp wherever possible. Okay, so now that you're done with the sides, you're going to part it down the middle and then try and get it as cute as you want, even though I had my hair in a bun with the mini twist like the whole week. But then once you have this in half, I just did one in the back, and then I'm going to take one of the halves and then put it in half again. I just wanted to make sure that I had a nice middle part so it didn't look wonky in the front. The back is really covered up by your twist, but the front to me is what matters. And then you're going to do the same to the other side. this is the final product. Look at yourself in the mirror because you just finished all that hard work. You can wear it on each side. As long as your hair looks healthy, that's all that matters. I did stretch it by holding it down for like a good 5 minutes, like 5 minutes. This is the back. You can wear it like half up, half down, however you really want to wear it. I really had it in a bun that whole week just because it's super easy and out of my face. And then I'm just going in with got2b hairspray so it can last a little bit longer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until we talk again, here's a blooper of Jared walking in on me doing my hair. Can you use the bathroom downstairs?
I'll be right back.
Hello.
I just need to show the nurses a photo of her so they can shoot on site.
I just think but I do need to use the restroom, but I guess I'm
Yeah, your aunt just went downstairs, so you're gonna.
She's not?
Yeah, so you're gonna do it. She said it's fine, she'll go downstairs. So you do the same, baby. Oh my gosh, is he gonna kill us? What?
Your hair looks so healthy. It's not even funny. It looks so cute.
Right? It looks really healthy.
You got long ways to go. Your hands ready?
Yeah, they are.
Burn it out.
My bag. Hello, doctor.
Are you hungry?
Oh my gosh.
Thirsty?
What are you
Are
doing
you thirsty?
here?
Anything?
I have water.
Alright.
Love you. Thank you.